Welcome to Getreide Haus. That translates into cereal house in English. We are a muesli cereal manufacturer in Germany. Our company is represented by Devin Scott, Sean Strait, Cole Studebaker, and myself, Russell Stanford. Just a little bit of background on our company. Our endeavor began with your initial investment of 8 million euros and a bank loan of 12 million euros. With this money, we currently have one manufacturing plant, a fully functional ERP system, the ability to test products in the marketplace, and the ability to see and analyze customers' demand in real time. So our company goals are to efficiently use technology, specifically SAP, to execute business processes such as MRP, inventory management, and finance management. This increases our visibility across all processes and reduces delays between transactions and increases communication between manufacturers and vendors. We also wanted to make products with high efficiency by planning production schedules to most effectively produce our products. We have all of our products 100% available to the customer because we know if we do not have that product in stock at all times, that customer will go somewhere else. We also wanted to demonstrate fiscal responsibility. We accomplished this by having the lowest debt-to-equity ratio in our market. We also wanted to make sound business decisions by researching and making decisions based on data and not being reactionary to the market or having a knee-jerk reaction to situations that were happening in the market. We also wanted to continually increase our market share by selling a higher quality product and producing the product at a sustainable rate. We did this by, throughout the 8 quarters, we offered 6 products. They were developed in 3 flavors, original, nut, and raisin. We also produced these in 2 sizes, 1 kilogram and 500 gram boxes. We selected these products to produce due to their high volume of sales and testing in the marketplace and low volatility of raw materials. Having these 2 different packaging sizes for each of our 3 flavors allow us to enter all 3 distribution channels in the market, thus giving us a higher probability for increased sales. Another one of our goals was production efficiency, and one of our philosophies was to produce our products with high efficiency. This chart represents our product efficiency with Getreide Haus indicated in the blue and the average industry in the red. We estimate our efficiency for the 8 quarters was just above the 90% mark. Some of the features and benefits of our company are our original flavor consisted of an even blend of oat and wheat, as we felt this was a staple of our consumer's breakfast table. For our nut and raisin flavors, we added 25% more non-cereal ingredient than Muesli Manufacturing Association recommends. For these premium products, this allowed us to command a higher margin than our competitors in the market. Our financial documents show that we made a profit every quarter with a cumulative net income of 6,638,841 euros. And we expect that we can reach 10 million euros annually with our improvements and increased capacity and turnover time. Our credit rating was also currently rated as AAA, which is the highest possible rating, as well as our debt-to-equity ratio was at 72%, the lowest in the industry. To maintain good fiscal responsibility, we calculated payments to invest in our plant, make loan payments, pay our overhead costs, and procure raw materials needed to keep producing quality products. Like I mentioned in the last slide, we were striving to be a sustainable company. We are constantly analyzing our production numbers and trying to find what that production ceiling number is and what our high and low numbers are concerning pricing our products. To be sustainable, we expanded our capacity several times as we noticed there was more demand for our products. While it is enticing to raise our production ceiling numbers, we did not want to continue to raise that number only to lower fixed costs and saturate the market. To compensate for this, our quick turnaround of product production ensures that customers will receive the freshest cereal in the market and not sitting around in a warehouse. We did not want all of our assets in warehouses. We only wanted to produce what the market was demanding. Low warehouse costs reduces the overall cost of operations and allows for product flexibility in the event that we need to recalibrate a recipe to meet the market need. We sell what we make. Some of the oppositions we encountered in the muesli industry were one, accounts receivables. We found it challenging selling products in the distribution channels with varying payment schedules. However, with our SAP and ERP system, we have no delay in realizing what our incoming cash at any given time is. This allows us to manage our cash flow for overhead and accounts payable and demonstrate fiscal responsibility. We also ran into volatility in the agricultural market. Storms, seasons, and the quality of crop determine what some of these costs are. These costs are out of our control the only control that we have is to purchase them while they are at a low price. Inventory costs was another opposition. Our financial analysts were able to determine that there was an increasing trend where our competitors were borrowing to increase capacity. While this does afford more flexibility in pricing, it can contribute to excessive inventory. We made several strategic decisions to increase capacity when we felt we could also sell the additional product. Continued price war was another opposition. We expect that the current price war has a limited lifetime before companies cannot sustain their operations. To combat this, we will continue to operate efficiently, raise capacity, and reduce our fixed costs, increase our market share, and drive off our competitors. In conclusion, oversaturation of the marketplace will cause our competitors to exit, thus increasing our market share. Prices will stabilize, and as a result, we'll have fewer competitors. Getreide Haus will split the profits with our investors 60-40. We ask your continued investment in the Getreide Haus and allow us to continue operations in the foreseeable future. We thank you and we look forward to doing business with you.